Hi guys, this is Deepika and welcome to my kitchen. As part of salad month today, I'm going to make a spicy grilled tofu and veggie salad with a dill yogurt dressing. It sounds pretty long, but believe me, it's going to be very simple. If you don't like tofu, if you don't like veggies, or if you don't like salad, I promise you will like this salad because it's going to be very flavorful, not at all bland. As I said, I like my salads very flavorful so that I can enjoy them. And it's very simple as well. So let's go with the ingredients so that we can get started. I have an array of veggies here. So I have some spinach as base. You can even use any grain or brown rice, or you can use quinoa, whatever base you want. Today I just went for greens. And then I have some red onion, cucumber, some cherry tomatoes. You can even use normal tomatoes. I have some green peppers or capsicum. You can use any colored peppers you want. Then I have some grated carrot, and then I also have an avocado. I have some pickled cucumbers, and then here I have an array of spices for marinating the tofu. So this is cumin powder, coriander powder, red pepper powder, garam masala powder, paprika, red chili powder, some turmeric, and this is kind of my secret ingredient for the crispiness. So I have some besan flour, or this is some chickpea flour. And then of course I have the star of the dish, the tofu. And then for the dressing here I have some yogurt, some freshly cut dill leaves. Guys, believe me, this is gonna add so much flavor, so I highly suggest you go with the fresh dill leaves. And then I have some salt and some olive oil. So that's it, guys. So as you can see, I already have my veggies cut and ready. I'm gonna add the avocado at the end. So first let's start marinating the tofu. So in the meantime the tofu is marinated, we can prepare the dressing. So I have my tofu here. To this I'm going to add pretty much all the spices I want. Next I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and then just a spoon of yogurt. I mean, if you want to make this vegan, you can actually not use the yogurt, it's totally fine. And now I'm just gonna mix all the ingredients and just make sure that the tofu is well marinated in all these ingredients. I have well coated my tofu in the spices now, and feel free to add a little bit of water if the paste gets very thick. And I'll leave the detailed list of ingredients for this in the description box below, so you're covered. Now I'm going to let this sit for at least 15 minutes. You can also put it in the fridge, because only then the tofu will just absorb all the flavors. So you definitely need to give that time. In the meantime, this is marinating. Let's make the dressing. For the dressing to this fresh dill, I'm going to add some yogurt. Guys, it is very easy. I'm just going to add the yogurt and salt, that's it. But believe me, it tastes so good because the dill has so much flavor in it that it's going to give you that, it's going to infuse the yogurt with so much good flavor. Adding some pink salt, this is a mix. I have a pan heating here. To this I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Remember, there's olive oil in the tofu as well already, so I'm just going to add a little bit. Now I'm going to take the tofu marinade and just place it on the hot oil. I'm gonna grill this until the tofu becomes like golden brown. The marinade is completely cooked. As you can see, the tofu is beautifully grilled with the, I love the grill marks. I think this is ready now, so let's get to assembling the salad. I have my steak of tofu here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slightly cut this into pieces. guys, I forgot to mention lime here, so I have some lime. Oops, sorry. I also cut my avocado and squeezed a little lime on it so that it shouldn't turn color. Now I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lime overall. And now for the dressing. My salad bowl looks so delicious. I have to take a picture before I eat it, but couple of things. I missed the lime first, so make sure you have that in the list of ingredients. And then if you want to make this completely vegan, just ignore the yogurt and use vegan mayonnaise instead for the dressing, and for the marination you just don't need to add the yogurt, it'll be fine. So let me get a picture and then I'll meet you for tasting. I'm gonna take a piece of, I'll try and take a piece of everything, but I don't know if I'll get it. I feel like I'm eating a good, curried tofu and, kind of a starter kind of a thing, but loaded with all these good veggies. It's so delicious. The avocado adds a creaminess, the yogurt dressing adds a creaminess. It's so good, guys. You definitely have to try this salad and let me know how it turns out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with your family and friends. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's Deepika's Kitchen. On Insta stories lately I've been posting quick recipes, so make sure you follow me there. So I'll see you all again this month with another salad recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.